How to use Snapchat My AI hidden feature tricks. To use this feature, first of all, go ahead and open Snapchat application on your device, and once you do so, go ahead and you can also simply take a photo or picture of any foreign products or any specific thing that you want more details of. Go ahead and tap on it, and once you do so, you should be able to find this sparkling icon. You can also use this to edit your photos as well. As you can see, you can simply tap on this text box and write in a prompt, and once you do so, you should be able to use this. As you can see, simply tap this generate button, and once it is generated, it should be shown over here. And you can also use your My AI groups. Now you can also use customize AI and name feature from the Snapchat itself by simply tapping on your profile icon located on the top right. From there, you can use this Snapchat Plus, which will allow you to use more AI features. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.